So today we're going to make you a chocolate treat in a mug. You're going to need some self-raising flour, some caster sugar, some cocoa powder, some milk, sunflower oil or vegetable oil, 1 egg, and some vanilla essence or extract. First, we're going to take 4 tablespoons of the self-raising flour. 2, 3, 4. It's all going into the mug. We're not using any extra bowls. And then we're going to take 4 tablespoons of sugar. 3, 4, and 2 tablespoons of the cocoa powder. If you haven't got a big mug, you can use 2 smaller mugs. Maybe make a treat for your mum and dad, whoever's at home with you today. 1, 2. Now I'm just going to give that a little mix up to make sure all the dry ingredients are mixed together before we put our wet ingredients in. Now we're going to take 3 tablespoons of milk and pop that into our mixture. 1, 2, 3, and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. Put that to one side, we don't need that. We're going to crack our egg straight into the mug, so don't get any shell in there. And we'll give it a stir up. Get that egg mixed in. Let's break up that yolk. Delicious. It smells really, really chocolatey now. And into this lovely gooey mess, I'm just going to put a few drops of vanilla essence. You could also put some chocolate buttons in it, some raisins, some dried fruit. I quite like it with some crystallised ginger in when I have it because I love chocolate and ginger together. Okay, this is now ready for us to cook. It doesn't matter if there's a few bits of dry flour. This is ready to go in the microwave. Right, so we're going to pop it in the microwave. 2 minutes. Ooh, right, okay, so it's ready. It's a little bit messy, but it's still going to be very delicious. Very hot. Oh, well, look at that lovely chocolate sponge. This is going to be very, very hot, so I wouldn't eat it straight away. I'm just going to try it. And it tastes very good, but it is very, very hot.